Good morning, friends. So I just wanted to share a little moment that happens. I'm walking back to the house from the store like I do most every morning. And today I've got copies of this flyer that I created, and I had some color copies printed out in Popovo yesterday. The whole thing happened pretty fast. But the kids saw me going by. They were up in the gazebo by the school, and they start yelling out, hello, hello, you know. And I'm kind of eager to get back to my house because I need to go to the bathroom. And they're running up to the fence and calling me back, and I'm sort of hemming and hawing if I'm going to go back. And I decide, okay, you know, they're very excited. So I walk back and I go and I see them all standing at the fence, and I give them all high fives. There's about 10 of them or so, a mix of boys and girls in like third grade or so, something like that, third, fourth grade, and a mix of ages, it looks like. And the kind of the leader of the pack, she's a very outgoing young lady that's been really friendly for years. She's like very bouncy and so cute, and speaking a little bit of English, you know, and explaining to me that they are dancing, that they're going to dance. And like everybody, like, yeah, that it's the dance group. I'm like, oh, wow. So then I pull out the flyer, and I did it in English and Bulgarian, and they all gather around, all excited, and they read it, and they start squealing and carrying on. It was just the cutest thing, and makes me feel really good. And, you know, I've learned in life to be kind of cautious about trying to not step on toes. I'm like, where I put the flyer, not wanting the local events to feel like they're being outshined or anything like that, you know. And I'd already put a flyer up at the little store and got a chance to see the reaction of some of the kind of key players of the village. And it's all been so positive, and that made me really happy. So it felt okay to go ahead and let the kids know, because I'd really love to see it be an event that families come out to, and we spend the first part of the evening doing American line dancing. I'm not going to be the leader, yay. There was another lady who's going to lead it, going up a hill. And I've intended to do this for quite some time, so it's really worked out very well. There's this other lady who's good at leading, practice at leading, who's been doing it in Popovo and agreed to come and do this for me. And then after we do like an hour or so of American line dancing, these easy beginner dances, then hopefully people will hang around and we'll do Bulgarian dances. And it'll be a really great, you know, cultural sharing event. So I'm happy. It's a good morning in Voditsa. Hope things are good wherever you are. You have a great day. Bye. This morning, friends, I added to the village fund, put our old flyer up. And this one's coming up in a few days, huh? Gotta check that out.